Hello, and welcome to a video which, for once, is actually totally Minecraft unrelated, to be fair. While in my case, it was, of course, Minecraft related, but oh well. Anyway, so the topic of today's video is that I recently decided that I wanted to change over to using Python for my macros, and a library suggested by Ragu, autopy, which is very powerful in many regards, um, is very would be very useful to do so, but it has quite a few bugs or inconveniences, you might call them too, depending on what you think of them. I guess some of the stuff was actually intended, but I don't like it, and so I changed it. Anyways, um, the bug that is mentioned you is rather easy to fix in theory. Basically, all you need to do is to change this file, source bitmap find.c. So you download the source, and you go to src, so source, yeah, and go to bitmap find the bitmap find. There it is. So then you just open that with Notepad++, and here you go. Here you make those changes described. Um, but then there is another problem, because it might happen that you'll actually get an error when you're trying to use the setup.py file here. It might not work. If so, you must first download this thing here from Microsoft. I'll leave a link to it down in the description, and from there on actually change a part of your Python installation. So you go to your Python directory into lib distutils, and then you find msvc9 compiler.py. That you open, and the thing you have to change here is that somewhere down here. Where is it? Wait, now I can't find it again. It was further up. Yeah. So here, once you've installed this C++ package, you will find a vc_varcel.bat somewhere in there. Doesn't matter where. But whatever, you copy the path to it, and you change the variable vc_varcel.bat to this path. One mistake I made is to use backward slashes, but use forward slashes in this case. Um, and then just save that down, and it will work. Um, so what you then have to do is to build with this command, and install with this command. Now this is your directory of Python. By the way, this is all for Windows stuff. It's not made for Linux or anything. I don't know how to fix stuff there. Sorry. Anyways, by the way, the fix should be applicable there too, but I guess they're slightly different since I've only changed stuff for it. But whatever. Anyway, so then you could build and install it, but you don't have to do that yet. First, you have to make another change to the source code, and that you have to do to source, and then here it is, I think. Yep, to autopy bitmap module C. So this is the default that I just commented out in my case. Basically, this means it will only give you the main monitor, but in my case, I don't want that. So I get the minimum, so the leftmost corner of my virtual screen and the rightmost corner of the virtual screen, as well as the width and the height of the virtual screen. And by using these coordinates, I define this rectangle, which was previously defined as the main screen, basically. And once you've done that, you'll get all screens instead of just the one screen. And from here on, you can actually just build and install, and from there you can use So in my case, I just capture the screen and then save down the bitmap, and that will give you this, which is a screenshot of your entire screen and not on a part of it. So yeah, that's basically all I had to say for today's video. In the future, you'll probably need this if I continue on using Python, which I'm likely to do by now, because I spent way too much time fixing this, and I've already, little teaser right now, converted my debug screen reader. I just need to test it. The thing is that I was lacking this library. Or module, much rather. Whatever. Anyway, so that's it.